On this episode of The Atlanta Maker, we engrave some cheap ceramic plates from Cost Plus. My wife picked up a few ceramic plates while shopping at Cost Plus World Market that she thought would work well for gifts for friends. They come in a variety of shapes, colors, and sizes, and the ones we picked up varied in price from $1 to $3. Let's load one into the Glowforge and get it set up for engraving. I've used a piece of MDF to make it easier to get the plate reasonably square on the honeycomb tray. The first thing we want to do is set the focus on the ceramic plate so that the image is the correct size. Then let's zoom in and adjust the sizing of our artwork. Once we've got the artwork sized, let's check the settings. For these ceramic plates, I found that 400 speed, full power, and 225 lines per inch seem to work well. Alright, let's click print and get this plate engraved. I think that turned out pretty good, so let's give one of the small brown bowls a try. They both turned out great with just the raw engraving, but I wonder if we could color the engraving to make it really pop. Let's take some colored Sharpies and fill them in. It's not necessary to stay within the lines, as we will wipe the rest off at the end. Once it's all colored, take a paper towel with some rubbing alcohol and wipe off the excess, being careful to try and not wipe one color into another. Now that has really taken this engraving to a whole new level. While I would not recommend using these for food, they work great as decorations, or even to put jewelry on at night. If you enjoyed this video or learned something, hit that like button and consider subscribing. Also, drop a comment below with what type of video you'd like to see next. See you next time.